This is how you build your own deck of cards in Trade Cards Online. You go to the Decks section from the main menu on the left, choose your favorite game, and then click on the Create Your Own Deck link at the top. You will get a form where you must first enter a name to identify your deck, and optionally a description where you explain how your deck works, the strategy behind it, and how you use it in a game. You also have two options you may select. You check the first one if you want to get an email message when someone posts a comment on your deck. You check the second one if you want your deck to be private, so no one else can inspect it. Then you need to click on the Update button so your data gets saved. And now you are ready to start adding cards to your deck. Depending on the game you are working with, decks may be split in sections, and you can here select in which section you want to place the cards you are adding. Then you click on the Add Cards button, and you are taken to the standard card search engine where you can look for cards based on the set they belong to, their rarity, their type, and other stats that vary depending on the game. You may also filter by card name or search within the game text on the cards. Alternatively, you can simply choose one of the sets of the game to get a complete list of its cards. In any case, you will get a list of cards in which you mark the ones you want in your deck. You can simply mark the checkbox for each card if you only want one copy of each of them, or you can enter the number of copies of each card you want in your deck. When you are done with the cards on that list, you click on one of the buttons at the bottom. If you want to continue looking for cards to add to your deck, you use the second button. But if you want to go back to the deck, you click on the first one. Once back at your deck, you will see the cards you just added listed here. And you can change them if you want. You can move the cards from one section to another, change its number of copies, or remove them from your deck. In any case, you need to press the Update button for your changes to be recorded. You continue adding cards and editing the deck's list until you have exactly the deck you want. Then you just click on the Publish button. And your deck will become available on the site, and you will be taken to your finalized deck. Your deck display has 4 sections. The list of its cards that you can group by rarity, type, and other parameters. The statistics section that shows the percentage distribution of cards by different parameters, where you can see, for example, what is the type of card you are using the most in your deck. The rating section, where other people will be able to vote for your deck and where you will see at any moment the current rating of your deck based on those votes. And the discussion section, where you can discuss your deck strategy with all the other users. It's like having a forum thread dedicated to your deck. You can also change the display of your deck to a detailed one by clicking on the link at the upper right corner. Here you will see the image of each card together with all their stats and their game text. So now you have your deck at Trade Cards Online ready to be discussed and used to play online.